as an alum of Virginia State, the main word is gratitude.
His main focus is making sure that any and everything he does goes to the students.
I'm very grateful because Virginia State gave me an opportunity that I never would have had at any university in this country. I think it's 43 years. I graduated 43 years ago.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Wow.
Judge Roger Gregory, the Chief Judge of the Fourth Circuit Court of Appeals in Richmond, Virginia, brought the Fourth Circuit Court of Appeals to Virginia State University. I think he conversed with our president, and it's something that he wanted.
Nobody will be able to go in that way. It'll be just the judges and the clerks, and then the audience goes on the other side.
We chose Virginia State because we go around the circuit. There are 5 states: Maryland, West Virginia, Virginia, North and South Carolina. And occasionally we go to universities, many of which have law schools. And if you can, try to, the students who are like pre-law, who have an interest in being a lawyer, law school, make sure that they get at some of the tables with the judges.
A lot of people do not realize that Chief Judge Gregory actually is a graduate of Virginia State, but he is also the Chief Justice of the Fourth Circuit Court of Appeals. The significance of that is the fact that the Fourth Circuit historically had been one of the most conservative courts in the history of American jurisprudence, and he is the first African American to lead that court.
Virginia State University doesn't have a law school, but it has all the other elements we have, and that is we're inspiring young people who are interested in the law, who are interested in studying history, and the whole idea of a judicial system and what justice means. So I couldn't think of a better place to be than Virginia State University, to have our court sit there and lawyers come there and actually litigate cases, and for students to hear that.
Judge Gregory really cares about the students. One of the things that he wanted to do is to make sure whatever gift he gives to the university, whatever treasures he leaves to the university, they always go student first.
He serves as one of the best role models for our students as it relates to being a judge and a lawyer. It also serves as a good example of how our alumni give back to our students.
My mother worked as a dormitory maid when she was 16 years old at Virginia State. And she worked there, and I can imagine that rather than cursing the darkness or the opportunity that she didn't have, she lit a candle. And years later, that candle would be me. Her son would go to Virginia State and do well. And it really was an emotional, heartfelt moment to come back and the place where my mom worked and I went to school, to come back full circle as the Chief Judge of the United States Court of Appeals for the Fourth Circuit. And that's something not about me, that's about the broad shoulders I stand on. And it was a special treat, remembering my mom and looking forward to the future of students who will carry on justice for many years to come.
Judge, thanks again.
Thank you so much.
All right, thank you.
All right.
Bye-bye.
Y'all be
Thank
good.
you.
Thanks a lot. Thank you.